In this video, I will show you 5 more Google Sheet tips and tricks that will make your work faster and easier. Here the first trick. To make a copy of your sheet, right-click the Sheet tab at the bottom and choose Duplicate. It creates an exact copy instantly. Now the second trick. If your text is too long, select the cell, go to Format, Wrapping, then click Wrap. This keeps all text visible inside the cell without cutting it off. Here's the third trick. To add a checkboxes. Select the cells, go to Insert, then click Checkbox. You can use it for task lists or making completed items. Now the fourth trick. Press Ctrl H to open Find and Replace. Type what you want to find. Type the new text and click Replace All. This updates everything in seconds. And finally the fifth trick. To stop others from editing certain cells. Select the range, right click, choose Protect Range and set permissions. Now only you can edit that part. These 5 extra tips will help you manage your Google Sheet like a pro. Try them out and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.